If you're seeing the GOG error E1, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick, simple fix you can try right now. This error is often caused by a small client issue, missing files, or security software blocking the launcher, so we're going to walk through the most effective steps one by one. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy fix videos just like this. First, let's start with the quickest solution. Fully close the GOG Galaxy client. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it is completely closed, including anything running in your system tray. If you see the GOG icon near your clock, right-click it and exit the app. Once it's fully closed, reopen GOG Galaxy and try again. In many cases, a simple restart like this clears the error immediately. If the error is still showing, the next step is to verify and repair the game files. Open your GOG Galaxy library and find the game that is giving you the E1 error. Next, click the icon to the right of the play button. This opens the game management options. From the menu, choose Manage Installation, then select Verify shall repair. GOG will now scan the game files and look for anything missing, damaged, or corrupted. If it finds a problem, it will automatically re-download the files it needs. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, but it is one of the best ways to fix launch and installation errors. Now let's go through another very common cause of the GOG E1 error. Antivirus or firewall interference. Sometimes Windows security settings can block GOG Galaxy from working properly, even if the program is safe. To check this, go to the Windows Start menu and search for Virus and Threat Protection. Open it, then click Manage Settings. Scroll down until you see Add or Remove Exclusions. This is where you can tell Windows not to scan or block a specific folder. Click Add an exclusion, choose folder, and then select the GOG Galaxy folder on your computer. Adding GOG Galaxy to exclusions can stop Windows Defender from interfering with game downloads, updates, or launches. After that, close everything and try opening the game again. If you're using a third-party antivirus or firewall, you may need to do the same thing there as well. Look for a whitelist, exclusions, or allowed apps section and make sure GOG Galaxy is trusted. Also, if you changed any security settings recently, temporarily disabling them for a moment can help you confirm whether they're the source of the problem. Just remember to turn them back on after testing. After going through these steps, launch GOG Galaxy again and check if the error is gone. In most cases, restarting the client, verifying the installation, and adding the folder to antivirus exclusions will fix the issue. If not, try restarting your PC and checking for any pending Windows updates, because system updates can also affect how the launcher behaves. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you fix the GOG error E1 quickly and get back into your game. If it worked for you, please give the video a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and let me know in the comments which step fixed it for you.